Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best knife sharpeners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, our overall best pick is KitchenIQ Edge Grip 2-Stage Knife Sharpener. This pint-sized tool is a workhorse in the kitchen. Use it to quickly and easily sharpen your favorite knife in the comfort of your own home. Use the KitchenIQ Edge Grip to quickly sharpen your damaged and dull knives and for everyday knife maintenance. This gem sharpens damaged and dull knives with just a few pulls through the coarse slot. This slot includes carbide blades at preset angles to quickly bring a dull knife back to life. Then quickly finish and polish the knife edge with just a few pulls through the fine slot. The Edge Grip's small size is ideal for storing in your knife drawer and for anyone with a small kitchen or little storage space. Coarse for dull and damaged knives. Fine for polishing the knife and for quick touch-ups for an already sharp knife. Patented Edge Grip feature allows sharpening on the edge of the table or countertop, prevents the tip of larger knives from dragging over the surface of the counter. Compact for easy storage. Carbide blades, coarse, provide quick edge setting capabilities, and the ceramic rods, fine, are used for the final edge honing. Non-slip base for added stability and control. Soft grip rubber handle. Number 2, our second best pick is AccuSharp knife and tool sharpener. Finally, a knife sharpener anyone can use. In about 10 seconds, sharpen knives, even serrated knives, cleavers, axes, machetes, and many other cutting tools. The large ergonomic handle fits either hand safely and securely. The full-length finger guard protects your fingers. The sharpening blades are diamond-honed tungsten carbide and provide years of reliable use. The AccuSharp knife sharpener will not rust and can be cleaned with soap and water, or in the dishwasher. Replacement sharpening blades are available. The AccuSharp knife sharpener is our most popular sharpener and can be found at a location near you. Sharpener will not rust and can be cleaned with soap and water or in the dishwasher. Perfect for sportsmen, cooks, craftsmen, gardeners and more. Limited lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Number 3, our third best pick is PressToEver Sharp electric knife sharpener. Product description: the Presto electric knife sharpener provides an easy, automatic way to sharpen most non-serrated kitchen and sport knives to a razor-sharp edge. With a special 2-stage system, it precision grinds a perfect sharpening angle, then fine hones and polishes the edge for professional results at home, anytime. 120 volts AC. Features: non-slip base, electric sharpening, preset angles for correct sharpening, sharpening levels, coarse and fine. All kitchen and sporting knives, whether professional quality or inexpensive, need a blade tune-up now and then. This electric sharpener produces razor-sharp edges using the same rapidly rotating saphirite grinding wheels used by professional shops. A 2-stage system allows knives to be ground and sharpened on the stage 1 half of the machine, and then honed on the stage 2 half. Blade guides hold the knife at the ideal sharpening angle for each side of the blade, as it is drawn slowly towards the user and kept parallel to the countertop. The sharpener is suitable for knives made of alloy, carbon, or stainless steel. It is perfectly normal for sparks to fly when knives of high carbon steel come in contact with the saphirite wheels. Non-electric serrated knives that are only serrated on one side can also be sharpened with this machine. 3 suction cups on the bottom hold the sharpener securely on a table or countertop, and 2 receptacles underneath catch metal filings for disposal. Number 4, our fourth best pick is Chef's Choice ProntoPro Hone Manual Knife Extremely Fast Sharpening. The Chef's Choice 4643 Angle Select Professional Manual Sharpener is the ideal solution for both 15 and 20 degree class knives. Using 100% diamonds, the hardest natural substance on earth, Our patented abrasives sharpen edges faster and easier. This sharpener improves cutting performance by creating two distinct facets set at different angles to form a sharp, long-lasting, arch-shaped edge. The first stage sharpens 15 degrees straight edge knives, while the second stage sharpens 20 degrees straight edge knives. In the final stage, specialized diamond abrasives create a polished finish to both 15 and 20-degree knives. Precision angle control ensures accurate sharpening throughout the entire blade length. This unit is designed to work with both straight edge and serrated knives. Pros: crisscross sharpening technology sharpens knives instantly. Precise bevel angle control creates perfect edges. Long-lasting diamond abrasives. Cons: high on price. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is electric diamond knife sharpener tool. Ceramic knives are highly touted as the kitchen knife that never goes dull, but those claims are far from the truth. While they hold their sharpness for a good 6 months, or even longer, depending on usage, they will eventually become dull and you'll be left trying to figure out how to sharpen ceramic knives. They are also very efficient considering that they do not pose any damages to your knife if you use it correctly. Make sure you read the user's guide first. Your knife remains in a good state and stays sharper longer with an electric ceramic knife sharpener. Electric ceramic knife sharpeners are not only suitable for ceramic knives, but can also sharpen other knives with the same precision. Ceramic knives other than Kyocera's products cannot be sharpened properly with this product. It is not possible to sharpen special knives such as single-edged kitchen knives such as the sashimi knives and serrated knives such as the bread cutting knives. Also, you cannot sharpen thick blade knives. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.